What's going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. What is happening? So in the last video, I was getting this bracket here made, so that's what I'm continuing tonight. Man. So it looks like I'm going to need to stack some washers. Alright, so I took all the washers out except for one, and I'm going to see if that clears. I guess that should have been the rational way to start this out, but looks like that actually clears, and that leaves me with enough thread, I think, to get some. Let's see. All right, no welding needed, completely bolt in. And that should be sturdy enough. Alright, so I got the little shifter ball thing up in there, and I think this is a job well done. So good job me. It's a little flexy, but it's not too bad. All the bolts are torqued down all the way, so I think this is about just as good as it's gonna get for me with this $10 adapter plate. Alright, no point in stopping right there. Those are all secure now. I'm confused. Oh man, yeah. I'm gonna have to take this back off, which means that this is gonna suck because it's just hammered on, but there's a clip that has to go around the shifter down there. So yeah, this is where I'm gonna end it. I'm not gonna do anything else tonight. It is almost 4 a.m. so that's gonna do it, folks. Peace out again. Alright, couldn't leave it alone. So this is the part that I was forgetting. So I assume it goes on like this, and then just kind of pop that on over it. Alright, there we go. That's the hardware setup on that. And then just gotta do the clips again. There we go. So that's it.